In this series completion, we are in first model.
Number series.
Number series.
That is number series.
Sir, I think we also did letter series.
No. Okay. After number series, we will see letter series. Later, we'll see number and letter series, and later we'll see word or English series, and later we'll see non-verbal or figure series also. So in number series, what are our points?
Like cubes.
First of all, we have to check
We should check the cubes.
consecutive
No, consecutive natural numbers.
or not. If not, check
Then we should
consecutive,
check the even or odd.
even or odd. If not,
Prime or composite.
prime composite. If not, perfect squares.
Squares.
So
Squares.
means in this case, identifying n square is 50%. Identifying n square is 50%. Identifying square number is 50%. But identifying for which number that is square is another 50%. Yes or no?
So, yes, sir. We should take the another square and we can minus or add.
Yeah, that's the 50.
Next model is of next checking point is nearby squares. If it is not a perfect square number, it may be nearby, plus or minus something, maybe there.
Plus.
Yeah, plus or minus something. Something means it can be 1 or 2 or 3 or it can be anything. After that, we have to check perfect cube numbers.
Perfect cube numbers. Then
Here also, identifying n cube, identifying a cube number is 50%. For which number it is cube, that is another 50%. And after that, checking nearby cubes. If it is not a perfect cube number, then we have to check whether it may be nearby any cube number or not. Cube number plus or minus something may be there. So these 7 steps, we call it as?
we call it as basic check.
Basic
No.
checking. Yes. Basic check or preliminary screening.
Preliminary screening.
Basic checking or preliminary screening. After that, we will enter into second stage. That is secondary checking. In this, we have to check either multiples or
Difference.
What are the two operators comes under multiples?
Multiplication and division.
Division. Into and divided by comes under multiples. And difference category?
Addition and subtraction.
Yes, addition and subtraction comes under difference category.
So can you
Plus or
also do it a little bit upstairs? I was writing things.
I sent this PDF already.
And
Even today also I'll send this PDF.
okay, sir. So now I'll do it.
Okay. So, and we have done some examples also for each and every point. See, these are the examples we have done till now. Nearly 30 questions are there. Starting from question number 1. For each and every model, these are the examples we did in the previous classes. Okay. Now, just let me remind the previous cases once with examples. I'm taking question number 31. Try to tell the answer for this.
Yeah, sir.
71, 73, 79,
Sir, I got the answer.
87, sorry, 89.
Sir,
What's
I
the
got
next
the
one?
answers. 97.
97. Logic? Sorry? Your voice is...
Prime numbers, I think so, sir.
yes, correct. All these are consecutive prime numbers.
Very easy.
So the next prime number is 97. You know them, that is why easy. If you don't know them,
It's hard.
yes. So that is why I'm from the beginning class onwards, from the first class onwards, I'm continuously telling these are the things you have to memorize. What are the things?
Sir, I directly
Yeah.
got it.
Prime numbers below 100. Next, squares below 20 and cubes below 15. And
Sir,
what are the
composite
things?
numbers. Composite numbers.
Yeah, if you
below.
know prime numbers, automatically you will come to know the composite numbers. All the remaining numbers except one are
Yeah, sir.
composite numbers. Prime
Composite.
numbers below 100, squares below 20, and cubes
Cubes below 15.
below 15.
Sir, I'm like bit.
And any more things?
No, sir. I think so. No.
Number point of view, these are the things. Okay. In your standard, do you have that one Pythagoras?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
We don't have.
we have sir Pythagoras.
For sixth grade, there is no Pythagoras. Sir.
Okay, for 7th grade, there is
For
Pythagoras.
7th and 8th it is there.
Okay. Okay, basically, these are the things you have to learn for number series. If you know them, you can identify them easily. If you don't know them, you have to waste some time identifying the things.
Sir, most of the numbers which are prime or starts with 71 or like that.
Okay.
So you can identify.
Right, I'm writing the logic here. Consecutive
Prime
prime
numbers.
Consecutive prime numbers.
consecutive prime numbers. Yes. Next question. Suppose if the series is like 4, no. If the series is like 36, 64, 81, 100, 144, 196, what is the next number?
Sir, I think these are cubes.
Cubes, verify once. Check again.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, I think not cube, sir.
Okay.
Sir, wait.
Sir,
Because one
squares. Sir, squares.
Are these numbers are squares? All the numbers.
Understood it. I know the logic.
Tell.
Sir, consecutive composite numbers, squares.
Very good. So here you have to identify first of all whether these numbers are squares or not. Yes, it is. These are squares.
ma'am,
only.
6, 8, 9,
This is 6
10,
square, 8
Square,
square, 9 square, 10 square,
12 square,
12 square,
Square.
and then 14
and
square.
14 square. Sir,
After
so
14, what is the next
one is-
composite number? So here, one second. I am writing the pattern here. N square is the
Sir,
pattern.
225 square.
Where N is?
Sir, Canada. Sir, 225 square.
No.
Composite number.
Ritvik, 225 is your
Oh.
answer. Okay, that is 15 square.
Yes, sir. That's what 225.
You're telling
Sir,
225 square.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, so N square is the pattern where N is
Consecutive
Equals to-
composite number.
consecutive composite number. Yes.
Sir, once you can you keep it like that, sir? Once you.
Consecutive composite numbers. Yes. One more question. Suppose if the question is like 10, 26, 50, and then 82.
Sir?
Yes. What is the next number?
Sir, I got it. It's like all the prime numbers, square plus 1.
Okay, then tell the numbers. First number is
3 square plus
3 square plus 9
Okay.
and 4.
plus 1.
5 square plus
5
1.
square is 25 plus 1. Yes. Next.
Plus 1 and
7 square plus 1.
7 square plus 1. So all these are consecutive prime numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Verify
9
once.
square plus 1 and
Yeah,
again
it is
11
9
square
square
plus
plus 1. Is 9 a prime number?
No.
No, sir.
It's
Then?
odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Why it can?
So here the logic is n square plus 1, where n is
Consecutive odd numbers.
consecutive odd number. Yes.
Can you
What is
wait
the
for a
next
second?
odd number? It is 11 square plus 1. What is the next odd number after 11?
1 minute, sir.
Why? What is the next odd number after 11?
Sir, 13 square
13 square plus
13
1
square, sir.
is
13
our
square
answer.
plus 1, sir. So 160
170.
Yes, 169 plus 1.
plus 1, 170.
170. Correct. Okay, next.
Sir, can you
You will get it, okay? Concentrate on the questions and logics. Try to identify the logics. Okay, next. Okay, try to tell the logic for this. Uh, one second.
Sir, I got it. Sir,
What is the next number? Is it
Sir?
matching? 1 second. Pen changed, I think. 11441 question mark.
sir, I got only for these are cubes, sir.
1441 and dash. Okay.
Sir, these are cubes.
For
So,
which number?
sir, I got for 25 and 121, sir. For every
25.
number, it's
It is not
for
a cube
25.
number.
Sir, it's a cube for 5, right, sir?
No.
5
5
cube is
5 cube is
125.
125.
5 square is 25.
5 square is 25, not 5 cube.
Sorry, cube. I was talking about cube. Sir,
Squares,
these
right?
are squares. So 5 square is 25 and 11 square is 121.
That's all. What about remaining numbers? If your logic is square or cubes, every number should be a square or every number should be a cube. Anyone got the logic?
Sir, is it 16 square for 481?
Or all these numbers are square numbers?
These are square numbers.
Only these two are square numbers, then how can you apply that logic for every number? No, you cannot use the logic like squares. Perfect squares is not suitable. You have the procedure. You can try this question in your procedure.
I think so these are not squares.
Yes.
5 and 25, I could have
Sir,
put
these are not squares, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
tell me, all these numbers are consecutive natural numbers?
Yes, sir.
No,
No,
all
no,
are
no.
natural numbers, but not consecutive. Okay.
Yeah,
Next,
sir, because
all
they
these
have-
numbers are consecutive even or consecutive odd?
No, sir.
Sir, these are
Consecutive prime?
consecutive. No, they are not prime, sir.
They
They
are
are
not even consecutive.
25 is
consecutive
25
composite
is-
also fail. Perfect squares? No.
No, sir.
Nearby squares?
Yes, sir.
No. Where?
Sir.
Nearby square means everything should be the same gap or similar gap. No. Nearby cubes? They are
No.
not perfect cubes, and even nearby cubes also not there. Then what is our step?
Sir, nearby cubes also did not get it.
Multiple, finding
Yeah,
the
even nearby
multiples.
cubes are not there. See, 1 cube plus 4, and it is not.
It's a.
Okay,
it's
okay.
a
You may try with the
perfect
2 cube, right? This is 2 cube is 8 minus 3. 3 cube is 27 minus 2, but it is not 4 cube, or even 5 cube minus 4 is suitable. 5 cube is 125 minus 4. And with the 2, 3, 5 maybe prime number, but the next to 7 cube is 343. It is not nearby 343.
Sir, it doesn't make sense when you write 3 to 4.
Okay, then preliminary screening is over. Next secondary stage, multiples or difference, which is better? Which one we have to give first priority, multiples or difference?
Multiples.
Multiples. Okay. I think it is a direct multiple into 5,
Yes, sir.
but it is not a direct multiple.
No, sir.
Yes.
So means we have to try nearby multiples. Okay. And if your idea is multiples, we have to try from the bigger numbers. It is in 400 and 1 second. It is in 400 and it is nearly in 1200 or nearly in 1600. Which one will try?
Sir, the 481 is better, I think so.
We'll try into 2 or into 3. Which is better?
Into 2.
Into 2 will be in 800 only, no?
Sir, into 3.
Into 3 then.
Into 3 we can try. Okay. It is 12 and it is 48.
481, 81, 360.
12. See here. It is in 12 and it is 48.
Sir, 1200 and 366.
How many times we can do here? 12 and 48.
Yes, sir.
How many times? 12, 48. How many times?
2 times. Sir, 4 times.
4 times. Okay. It is 25 and it is nearly 25. Sorry, 125. How many times?
Sir, 5 cube.
Making any sense?
No, sir.
Okay. It is into 6 times we can do, I think. Now you write plus or minus something. Okay. 5, 6 are
5, 6 are 30.
30. Minus how much is 25?
Minus 5.
5.
Okay. Okay. Then 25 5s are
Minus
Sir,
4.
125 minus 4.
25 minus 4.
Minus 4.
121 4 times.
121 4 times.
148. Sorry, 488.
484.
Yes, sir. 488.
484, but it is
Minus 2.
minus 3.
Minus 3.
Sir, it is minus. Yes, sir.
484.
Yes, sir.
1
Minus.
second, number missed. Yeah, it is minus 2 only, no? Sorry, minus 3. 481 3 times is how much? 14, 40.
Sir, 363.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. So it is minus 2. And is it following any pattern?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's now
It
2.
took
What will be our operation here? Into
Into 2
2.
minus
minus 1.
Minus
1. Yes. 1441 into 2 is 2882. Minus 1.
2881. Sir, 2881.
2881.
So this question comes under multiples category. So how can we write the pattern here? Logic is into n minus how much?
minus consecutive.
No. See here. If it is 6, it is 5. If it is 5, it is 4. If it is 4, it is 3. If it is n, it will be
N minus 1.
n minus 1 before number. Okay, where n is 6,
N is
5, 4, 3, 2. What are these numbers?
consecutive natural.
Natural numbers, but decreasing natural numbers. Yes. Where n is a natural number, consecutive and decreasing. Next, we'll see one more question. Okay, try to tell the logic for this. 1, 11. Okay, next 37. And the next 87. Next is 169. Next is 291. What is the next number?
So,
Anybody got the logic?
sir, these are not cubes, not perfect cubes, are perfect
So
squares.
overall, you completed the preliminary screening, right? Yeah, it is not. It will not match in your preliminary screening. Okay, then.
It's not cubes, it's not squares, it's not perfect squares and perfect cubes.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. Preliminary screening is over. It is not matching. Then you have to check the either multiples or difference. Which is better?
Sir,
Sir, multiples.
You are saying it is multiples by seeing first 2 to 3 numbers, right?
No, sir, it's increasing by a very high rate.
What about this one? At least into 2 is possible.
no,
No, then how can you say it is multiple?
sir, I think it would be perfect square.
Could be
Again, you are
perfect
saying
squares.
squares.
Sorry,
Perfect squares. Perfect.
nearby squares, nearby squares.
No, sir.
Vedanta. What one thing I am telling continuously, you have completed the preliminary screening. So all these things, whatever you are saying, all those things comes under preliminary screening only. This question will not match in your preliminary screening. Means they are not perfect square, they are not nearby square, they are not perfect cubes, they are not nearby cubes, and even they are not prime, composite, even, odd, natural. All are failed. Now either multiples or difference. Which is better?
Sir, difference.
Okay, let us take the difference. Take the first difference. It is how much?
It's
10.
Okay, next difference.
it's way more.
How much?
26.
Okay, next difference.
50.
50.
Okay, next difference.
1.
80 plus 80, 160. 7 plus how much is 169?
102.
No,
108.
80 plus 80 is 160. 7 plus how much is 9?
87.
82.
82.
80 plus 80 is 7 plus 2. Okay, next difference is 290 minus 170 is how much?
290.
120.
120.
5.
Now add one more number.
126.
Sir,
No.
126.
We have to add two numbers.
127.
122.
128.
122. 100 plus 100, 200. 60 plus 20, 80. 9 plus 2 is 11. 280 plus 11 is how much? 291. Okay. Now see, let me tell you one point here. After taking difference, I think we have discussed this point. After
Yes, sir,
taking
you
the
have
difference,
told that 99% it will be only this differences and multiples.
yeah, it
But
is okay.
then you get these type of numbers, they'll be based on the preliminary screen ones.
Yes. Okay. I'll repeat the point again. See here. After taking the multiples or difference, so we have to consider all these numbers as one separate series now. We need to fill up this series first. If you can fill this series, and you can fill we can fill this number automatically. Okay. Consider these numbers, difference numbers, as one separate series. Again, you start the procedure. You start your
10
procedure.
plus 1.
Don't take it plus one directly. Go for preliminary screening for the difference numbers.
These multiples.
Sir, it's like 3 square plus 1.
Okay.
Then
Then
3 square plus 1.
okay.
Then 7 square plus 1.
Now you see your question number 33 ones.
Sir, it's almost the same.
Not almost same. Those the same numbers I have given.
Oh.
See, this one is 10, 10,
Oh.
26, 26, 50, 50, 82,
Odd
82,
numbers,
122, 122.
consecutive odd numbers.
Okay. What should be the next difference here?
13 plus 1 or
170.
170.
170.
This one,
Plus
170.
20.
Now we have to add this 170 to 291 to get our answer.
172.
170 plus
361. Sir, it is 361.
361. That's your answer. Okay. Let me write the logic here.
Sir, we should add all that one, sir.
No. See, this 10 is nothing but 3 square. 1 second. 3 square plus 1. This 26 is nothing but 5 square plus 1. This is nothing but 7 square plus 1. This is 9 square plus 1. 11 square plus 1. So based on these things, we can say this should be 13 square plus 1. So 13 square plus 1 nothing but 170. 170 is the last difference we have to add. So that 170, if you add to 290, we'll get the answer. That is 361. Okay, I'm writing the logic. See here. Logic is a difference or differences are n square plus 1.
Plus 1.
Differences are n square plus 1 now, not the given numbers. Differences are n square plus 1, where n is
Consecutive odd numbers.
yes, consecutive odd numbers starting from 3. Okay, I've given one separate series, and again I have given the same numbers as the differences.
Sir, next time when you do it, can you show all the questions?
Sir, if you would give some other things like prime numbers or composite numbers, no one would be able to crack the logic.
Okay, it's okay. Then we'll go to the next checking. That is point number 10. Sorry, where is our points? Yes, here. Till now, we have completed 9 points. We are going to take the 10th point. I'll give the questions first, and later we'll write the point. Based on that question, we'll write the point. Okay, try to answer this. Think differently. What is the next number? what is the next number? If you want hint, I will give hint.
Yeah, we need hints. Sir.
Anyone
Sir?
want hint?
I want hints, sir.
Okay. So your hint is there is no mathematical operation.
What?
There is no mathematical operation. Maybe you are trying with a -2, then +2, it is -1.
Got it.
There is no mathematical operation. There is no +2 or -2 and nothing is there. Think differently. Try to observe the numbers and their order.
Sir, I was about to guess.
Okay.
Two?
What is the answer?
Sir, is it two?
Tell the logic. If your logic is correct, answer will be correct.
So if we minus two.
Again, you are doing the
just-
same thing, -2 +2. What is our hint? There is no mathematical operation.
Sir, I think the answer should be 29.
Tell the logic.
Sir, I don't know if it's
Okay, maybe you are feeling like cyclicity, right?
you see the ending numbers, it's like 910, then it's like 10. Oh, there's one here.
Yes. Yes, some other is telling something. Then what about 29? If it is in place of 29, if it is 30, then there is no problem, right? Yeah, can I tell the logic?
No, sir, 1 minute.
After listening the logic, you may feel, oh, this could be the logic, or this much silly logic can be there. This is a silly logic.
Alternative?
No.
Not at all. That's so lot silly.
Okay,
Sir,
see the logic here. This is January. This is February, March. Okay, April, May. What is this? June.
The number of days
July.
in a month.
July.
Yes, number of days in a month. August consists of how many days?
30.
No,
30.
no,
31.
31.
Even.
According to the given series, everyone predict 30 only. Okay, but the answer is 31.
Sir, but 28 should be right there, sir. If it is a leap year, 29.
If it is a leap year, consider it as a leap year. February can be 29, right?
No, when a leap year comes, right, sir?
Yeah, February can be 28 or 29, anything.
Yeah, sir. Like,
13 or sir, August.
Okay, here the logic is number of days in a consecutive months of a leap year. Okay, number of days in a consecutive months of a leap year. Done?
yeah, sir.
Okay, let me write one more question. Okay, no need to write the logic separately because here I have mentioned January, February. You can understand, right?
There it's understood.
Okay, then next
Sir,
question
this
is
question is also like illogical.
maybe somewhat different logic. Some 32, 35, then 43, then 50, 55, 65. What is the next number? Here I am not saying there is no mathematical operation. There will be a mathematical operation.
Sir, are these composite numbers?
Consecutive?
Yeah,
No,
consecutive.
43 is not a prime, sorry, composite number. 43 is a prime number. And even all these numbers are not consecutive.
Are these -1?
You're asking,
32
sir.
32 plus 32 plus 3 is
If you want, I can
32.
give the logic, sorry, not logic, hint.
Okay, sir.
Hint.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, this question is based on differences.
Okay, got it.
Try and tell. Almost I have given the logic only, half logic. You need to find the remaining half.
So, like, is it totally difference?
Difference based question only.
Totally.
Yeah, total series is difference only. Totally, if the logic is totally, then only we can confirm it is the logic.
But after finding a difference, then you need to find the transfer.
Yes. After taking difference, you need to get to the logic for those numbers, difference numbers.
Sir, as per what I'm thinking, there are not enough numbers for my logic.
Okay, tell your difference
1
numbers.
minute. 1 minute, sir, please.
Yeah, tell the difference numbers just.
Sir, 32 and 35.
So sorry. There is a mistake. There is a mistake. 1 second. I'll correct it. 1 second.
Okay, sir.
First number is not 32. That is 31. Sorry. This is 31. Okay. Now you can tell. Tell. Now Surya Madhav. Now sufficient numbers are there. Again, not there.
Sir, my logic completely has
Collapsed because of that 31. Tell the differences. First difference is how much?
4,
Okay, next.
8,
Okay,
then 7,
okay.
then 5.
5, not in a pattern, very zigzag manner. And next is
10.
10. So what could be the next difference? If you know that, we can get the answer.
Sir, 1 minute.
Sir, if you see, it's like 4 into 2 is 8 and 5 into 2
But
is
that is not continued. Even 8, 7 and 5 decrement, and 5 2s are 10, but that is not continuing. And that is not there earlier.
Sir, this is slowly.
But this question is based on difference only.
Sir, this is not cube. Sorry, this is not a square. This is not a cube. This is a nearby.
Okay, I'll ask one question, think differently and tell. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Why only 4 is added to 31? Why only 4 is added to 31 to get 35? Why to add only 4?
So,
plus 31 plus 3 plus
Sorry. Wait. Somebody is telling.
Sir, we can add 2 plus 2 also.
Who is that?
Sir, what is
Varshit, very good. So this 3 plus 1 is 4, na?
Yes, sir.
That is added to 31 to get 35.
oh,
What about 3 plus 5?
3 plus 5 is 8.
That is 8
4
only.
plus
4 plus 3 is
4 plus 3 is 7.
7 is here. 5 plus 0 is 5.
5.
5 plus 5 is 10. Next difference should be
6 plus 5 11.
11. After adding 11, we'll get the answer. That is
That is
26.
76.
76. 10 plus
That's
6 is equals to 12.
So here, till now, we have not disturbed the digits. First time we have disturbed the digits. Yes or no? Yeah, here the logic is difference is
The difference
sum of
is sum of the digits in a number.
digits of previous number. Difference is sum of the digits of previous number. 1 second. Previous number. Difference is the sum of the digits of previous number. This 4 is the sum of the digits of previous number 31. This 8 is the sum of the digits of previous number 35.
Sir,
Okay.
but you told that it was on difference.
Sorry.
It is on difference, right?
Yeah, it is based on difference only. All this. So see the logic here once. Difference is the sum of the digits of previous number.
Sir, means you meant difference means subtraction.
No, difference can be addition or subtraction. Both those two operations comes under difference only.
So I was
Adding a
thinking
number or subtracting a number, nothing but. Tell me here. What is the difference between 3 and 5?
3 and 5, it was
So 2.
2 is the difference. But see here, I'm doing plus 2. It is
That
addition,
could
but
be
we are
also
calling it
same
as a
answer.
difference. Yes or no? Plus 2 means it is
Yes,
addition,
sir.
but we are calling that 2 as the difference of these two. Okay.
Got
Difference
it,
can
sir.
be addition or subtraction. Okay, tell me the answer for this question. Next one. 2, 5, 7, 12, 19, 31, 50, and next number is.
Sir, prime numbers and composite numbers.
Prime numbers and composite numbers form natural numbers only, na?
There 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 19.
Very good.
19 plus 31.
Very
is-
good. Correct. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 plus 12 is 19. 19 plus 20, 12 is 31. 12 plus 19 is 31. 19 plus 31 is 50. Our answer will be 50 plus
50 plus
31 plus 50 will be 81.
81.
So the every third number is the sum of previous two numbers. Every third number is the sum of previous two numbers. Or how can we say? Okay, how to write the logic here? See,
First,
logic equal to
The sum of the numbers is equals to the answer.
Tn
Every-
plus T2 equal to, sorry, Tn plus 1. 1 second.
sir, what is
Tn term 1 Tn plus 2 equal to Tn plus 3. Sorry, Tn plus 2. If you substitute 1 in place of n, T1 plus T2 will be T3, right? Means term 1 plus term 2 equal to term 3. If you substitute 2 in place of n, T2 plus T3 will be T4. Means term 2 plus term 3 will be term 4. Okay. And in your future, you may hear this word. What is that word? Is Fibonacci. Fibonacci.
Sir?
Fibonacci. Some people may call it as Fibonacci. Some people may call it as Fibonacci. Some people may call it as Fibonacci. Okay. So Fibonacci or Fibonacci, anything it can be. Fibonacci logic it is. If you learn computer languages, later you will come to know what is Fibonacci. Or otherwise, I'll tell here only. The Fibonacci series is.
Is it like this, sir? We should
Yes.
add and get the answer.
What are the binary digits we have?
0 and 1? 0 and
0,
1.
comma 1. 0 plus 1 is?
Sir, so we have to transform every
1.
single number that has
1 plus 1 is?
0.
2. 1 plus 2 is?
3,
3. 2 plus 3 is?
4, 5.
3 plus 5? Next. 13, next 21, and so on up to infinite. So this series is called Fibonacci series.
Okay, sir.
So this is Fibonacci.
Class should be.
Yeah, we'll leave now. We'll close the session. Okay, I'll send this PDF to you. Okay, as well as video also.
Sir, are we going to have any tests, sir?
Test means Sunday.
Yeah. Are we going to have any?
I will plan a test on Sunday and Vedic math.
Sir,
On
we,
Vedic math.
Oh,
sir, we finished average, right? So we do on